everyone, Assalamualaikum students, it's me Abdul Rahman and today's our topic is properties of cathode rays. So starting with the discovery of cathode rays. So it was discovered by Leonard, Goldstein, J.J. Thomson and Perrin. They all together discovered these properties, and the first one property of cathode rays is traveling in a straight line. So when cathode rays will be passing from an object, and as example we have taken a human. So when we will be passing the the cathode rays, then there will on the screen can be any wall or anything, etc. So when we will be passing cathode ray, then it will be creating a same shadow. So the second property which they have discovered was charge, and the experiment of charge was through the help of electric field, and the experiment is given here. So when cathode rays they passes, and these cathode rays were bended towards positive charge, so they think that if this is bending towards positive charge, so it means it has some charge, and that charge should be negative because it is turning towards positive side, and it didn't turn there and it didn't turn there as well. So that's why they give negative charge there. And then the third point they discovered was mass, and they said that there is some mass in cathode rays, and because to do this to prove us, they showed us an experiment, and that experiment was through the help of magnetic field. And then we have this experiment in which they passes these cathode rays. These are cathode rays, and when they passes this cathode rays, then some were falling a very in a very few time, and other waves were taking a bit of time. So they said that these waves are having low masses because it took some time, and these waves are high masses. And they passes not only cathode rays, they passes a few more rays like gamma rays and others. So that's why the rays which are having low masses, so it was for falling after means this after the high mass. So here we are having the other property which is called penetration, and it is defined as to run into the solid. And for the example is this, that positive can uh, penetrate into a few volts, you may say, but the cathode rays has a higher penetration than positive rays. And while gamma rays have means a lot of have highest than these both, have highest penetration rate than positive rays and cathode rays. And gamma has low mass, and it has no charge as well, and mass is inversely proportional towards penetration, and low mass will be equals to high penetration. So here we got another point which is ionization, and it is it means that to break into positive and negative. So when we passes cathode rays into an atom of any substance, but here we took an example of hydrogen, which is a gas, H2, which is a gas. And however, when cathode rays will be moving, there is only one hydrogen, so I do not have to put two here. So when we will be moving this cathode rays from this side, then it will be converting into a nucleus which will be having proton and neutron. So it's not a atom of hydrogen because neutron is present. If it is an atom of any substance. So just I am giving you example. So when we will be passing cathode rays, then it will be converting into a nucleus, means a proton and neutron and plus electron. Okay. And then there are some few points that positive rays will split only positive rays will split proton of an atom, and cathode rays will be splitting electron of an atom. So here we got another property, which is mechanical pressure, and it's defined as ability to do work. So cathode rays possessing ability to do work, and it is due to because cathode rays is a material wave. So we are having two material waves, one is cathode and the other one is anode, or you may say positive rays. So this was today's lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next video.